Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to remove emergency call from lock screen Android and help you secure your device easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. This is where you control all your phone's system settings. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Safety and Emergency. This section handles important safety features on your phone. Step 3. Tap Emergency Contacts. Here you can manage who can be contacted in an emergency. Step 4. Turn off the setting that allows emergency contacts to show on the lock screen. This stops the emergency call option from appearing when your phone is locked. Step 5. Select the contact you want to remove to ensure it no longer appears in emergencies. Step 6. Tap on the 3 dots, then tap Remove to delete the contact from your emergency list. Step 7. Lock your device, swipe to unlock, and tap Emergency Call to verify that the emergency call option has been removed from your lock screen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips.